12th chapter, Changing Cultural Traditions in Europe, 1300 to 1800. We are discussing about changing cultural traditions in Europe. Now, topic in Europe, so many changes, such as cultural, traditional changes in Europe. Already discussed some topics. Ancient period, medieval period in Europe. Today, already Renaissance also discussing. Renaissance means it is the cultural movement in Europe. So many factors causes influence in Europe. Cultural awakening, cultural awareness, cultural changes. Cultural changes mean art, architecture, literature, and etc. So many things influence in Europe. The church dominance, church authority in Europe. The people read at the books, so many books there, so many thinkers, philosophers at the books. The people inspired, so many books were there. One of the book, Phrase of Poe, Erasmus, Praise of Poe. Praise of Poe. Praise of Poe is one of the important book. The book is made criticism of the Roman Catholic religious practices. Actually, in Bible, theory and practice of the clergymen, Roman Catholic society, is completely different. The religious practice is very important influence in our society. Phrase of Poe is the criticism of the religious practice of Roman Catholic Church. For all the example, so many literatures, so many books influence in our Europe. Influence in our Europe. Next to humanism. Humanism and universities. Medieval period is also religious period. The people also mainly concentration of the religion, concentration of the religious practice, concentration of the heaven, concentration of the hell. These things. After Renaissance, so many ideas rise in Europe. First, one of the idea, humanism. The humanity, human man or humanism is the important thing. There is no priority of the human in medieval period. There is no rights. There is no priority of human. There is no king of the man. Man and nature is the importance and discovery experiment of the people studying humanism, the people studying books, the people studying culture, the people studying science, so many subjects, reading by the people. After the people awareness of the so many factors. One of the humanism, humanity, human is the main importance of the society. Human need, human wants, human benefits, and nature. The scientists, the philosophers, the writers, looking the man and looking the society and looking the nature. After humanism is the one of the important theme influence in our society, especially in Europe and universities. So many universities established in Europe. Universities in education centers, biggest education centers. So many subjects studying the students. Adventures, discoveries with the help of the books, technology, science, all things. University, when the university established in Europe, after the society is completely religious. The people also change the mind, change the ideas, change the new ideas, modern ideas. The society, medieval period is also dark period. There is no concentration of the man, there is no concentration of the modern things. Only religious practice, blind beliefs, things, concentration. Clergymen's dominance, church dominance in Europe. After looking the studying, the discovery, the experience of so many things, the people studied the books, the people studied the so many subjects, so many courses in universities. After the society also is a complete change. The people asking the question the old methods, bad practices also. One of the book Praise of Four is one of the criticism of the Roman Catholics, religious practice. Humanism and universities. Next to revival of the Italian states. Italian states, Italian cities first change why the Renaissance was starting in Italy. So many Italian states followed the new methods, followed the humanism, followed the science. The old regimes, old methods will completely avoid the people. New cities emerged in Italy. New governments also emerge in society. States, monarchy governments, dictator type of governments also is completely changed. I mean, liberty, the type of democracy ideas start in Italy. Here, the revival. First, Italian states, Venice, Florence, Rome. These cities first start in revival. Revival cities, example cities, Venice, Florence, Rome, etc. These cities main in the education, humanist ideas, so many moral ideas start in Italy. Here, the importance of the here the people, is the importance. Studying the man, studying the society, studying the nature. మనకి ఈ యూరోప్ మరి ముఖ్యంగా సాంస్కృతిక పునరుజ్జీవనం. రెనైజాన్స్ మీన్స్ సాంస్కృతిక పునరుజ్జీవనం. సాంస్కృతిక విధానంలో అనేకమైన మార్పులు. అనేక మంది రైటర్స్, మేధావులు, విద్యావంతులు వాళ్ళు ఎప్పుడైతే మానవ జీవన విధానం, మనిషి గురించి, ప్రకృతి గురించి, పర్యావరణాల గురించి స్టడీ చేయడం, సైన్స్ గురించి వివిధ రకాలైనటువంటి సబ్జెక్ట్స్, ఆ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ని యూనివర్సిటీస్లో చదవడం, ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ చేయడం, ఆటోమేటిక్గా యూరోప్లో అనేక మార్పులు వచ్చేసింది. మార్పులో ఫస్ట్ వన్ కల్చరల్ చేంజ్. రెనైజాన్స్ మీనింగ్ సాంస్కృతిక పునరుజ్జీవనం. ఫస్ట్ రెనైజాన్స్ అనేది మనకి స్టార్ట్ అయింది యూరోప్. హ్యూమనిజం, మానవతా దృక్పథం. మిడివల్ పీరియడ్ మనం ఎప్పుడు కూడా మనిషి గురించి, మనిషి యొక్క హక్కులు స్టడీ చేయాలి. ఎక్కువగా ఫెడరలిజం, మతం, రిలీజియన్, వీటి మీదే స్టడీ చేశారు. ఎప్పుడైతే సైన్సెస్ డెవలప్ అయ్యాయో మనిషి మీద, ప్రకృతి మీద, పర్యావరణం మీద డిస్కవరీస్ ఎప్పుడైతే టెక్నాలజీ ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ అయిందో మనకు అప్పుడే స్టార్ట్ అయింది. అనదర్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్రింటింగ్ ప్రెస్. ప్రింటింగ్ discovered by or invented by Johannes Gutenberg. Gutenberg. John Gutenberg is the father of the printing press. Before printing press, only handwriting and some writing things there, books and etc. After printing press, discovery of invention of the printing press, so many books printed in the printing press. First, after invented the printing press, first printed book, Bible. The first book, Bible, printed in printing press. Printing press founder, inventor, Johannes Gutenberg, German scientist. It is the revolution change in the world. Our ideas, views, things, so many false, so many ideas spread in the country with the help of the printing press. So many books, number of books printed in press. The books distributed in long distance, so many areas. Long distance areas also supplied. Transport facilities also developed. The people reading the books. After the people, ideas, the people, views also change. The people studying so many subjects, especially science subjects, art subjects, so many theories introduced in the books. So many writers also criticism the system and opinion the own ideas and realism, humanism, all things developed in society, developed in Europe. Printing press benefits, so many benefits there. After printing, the society is, especially in Europe society, is completely changed. The people studied the books. The people views, ideas, aspirations, all things is completely changed. New thoughts, new ideas rising people. The people studying the new ideas, humanism ideas. So many ideas also rising in Europe. Suppose democracy idea. Democracy is the type of government order. The theory is the idea. So many isms. The isms also start in Europe. The people is completely discovered, experiments and invention, new things, new ideas. The Europe society is completely changed. So many changes occurred in Europe. Here, the printing press invented, discovered by Gutenberg, German scientist. Then Gutenberg printing machine invented, the society, the people also, so many libraries, so many books, so many education institutions established in Europe. Number of people, before printing press only available few books there. The books also available in some people. There is no ideas views expressed in society, common people. After printing press, the books available in common people. The books available in society. Suppose Bible first only having clergymen, Roman Catholics authority available. After printing press, the Bible printing different languages also. First printed book, Bible. The Bible is completely distributed, printing the first German language and other languages also. The people reading the Bible. After the people awareness, realism, humanism, all ideas start in the society. First, but the changing cultural traditions in Europe chapter, the Europe continent, so many factors influence there. Once again, just to the humanism, Manamatam universities, Italian states అనేకమైనటువంటి cities, states government, printing press, ముద్రణాయంత్రం, ఇవన్నీ ఎప్పుడైతే కనుగొనబడ్డాయో ప్రజల్లో చైతన్యం వచ్చింది, ప్రజల యొక్క ఆలోచన విధానంలో మార్పు వచ్చింది. ఎప్పుడైతే బైబిల్ ప్రింట్ అయి ప్రజల చేతిలోకి వచ్చిందో, అంతకుముందు బైబిల్ ఓన్లీ కొద్దిమంది చేతిలో ఉంటుంది. ప్రజలు చదవటం ఉన్నటువంటి వాస్తవాలు, రియల్ ఐడియాస్ని, రియల్ థింగ్స్ని చూస్తాం. చూసిన తర్వాత వాళ్ళలో హ్యూమనిజం, రియలిజం డెవలప్ అవుతుంది. దాని వాళ్ళు సో మెనీ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ బుక్స్ ప్రింట్ అవుతాయి. ఆ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ప్రజలు చదువుకోవడం, అందుకే సైన్స్, ఆర్ట్స్, నంబర్ ఆఫ్ బుక్స్ ఎప్పుడైతే చదివారో ఆటోమేటిక్గా మనకి ఇవన్నీ కూడా The homework. What is meant by Renaissance? I mean, what is meant by Renaissance in short question? What is the impact of Renaissance in Europe? What is the impact, influence of the Renaissance in Europe? Europe లో ఏ విధంగా ఇంపాక్ట్ చేసింది రెనెసాన్స్ అనేది టూ క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్. ఓకే, ఎస్ఐ క్వశ్చన్ అండ్ షార్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఫ్రమ్ 9th క్లాస్ స్టూడెంట్స్. సార్ 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 ఓకే, హోంవర్క్. వాట్ ఈజ్ meant by Renaissance? What is the importance of the Renaissance?